Hey guys, what's going on? This is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you this 2022 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH. RL stands for rear living, BH stands for bunkhouse. So let's take a look at this thing. Nice fiberglass front cap on the outside here. Really nice look we got going. This one's also equipped with side view camera, so while you're towing, you'll be able to see on both sides of the fifth wheel. This fifth wheel is a luxury fifth wheel here, so it's going to be much nicer than your average ones, right? So on the front, we also got a place where your batteries are going to live, and this one is generator prepped as well. So that's a really cool feature. Come on into the pass-through storage. Really nice, big, large size basement we got going on here. It does have the diamond plate on the bottom too. So if you need anything that's like, I guess, heavy duty under here, you can actually put that in here because the floor will be able to handle that. Right next to the pass-through storage, you got your outside kitchen here. I like this because it's actually pretty close to the door. Okay, like the front door, which is really nice. Right here, and they use the metal construction here, which is really nice. You can use this as a prep area or just to put more things on top of that. You also got a nice size here. Let's pull this out here. This is a bigger hibachi type grill here, which is a really nice thing. So while you're cooking burgers or hanging out with the family outside, you got this really nice feel going on here. Okay, really easy to push in and out, and it also has this zipper here so you can keep it all good in there, tucked away. You also got a refrigerator right here for your outside kitchen. And they also did something different here too. Instead of putting the speakers higher, they actually put them lower so you'd be able to hear the actual sound from the speakers, right? And on this one, it's really unique too. It's got two different awnings, okay? One half is on this half. We also got the LED lights up there, which is quite nice. Hope you're okay, man. And then you also got this other awning right here on the slide out, which is really nice. So it doesn't take up all of the awning while the slide out comes out. It can actually be out here and you can enjoy it while you're hanging out outside. Okay. Coming in here, Jayco has been in business for 50 plus years, okay? So they know what they're doing. They also got the best warranty out there. This literally says, the tag on it says warranty for full-time RVing. So if this is something you want a full-time RV in, this is a good coach for you. And you got some family or you want an office, check this out, okay? As soon as you come in, you got a storage closet with adjustable shelving, really nice. You can remove that. It's also got this one-touch controller here so you can control the lights and other things on here. More space for storage. Come and check out the RL, the rear living part. Nice, isn't it? Really nice colors. It's got the two-tone colors going on from the white onwards. That one is the kitchen part, and then the dark interior here is the entertainment center. So let's go in the kitchen. Okay, really nice solid surface countertops here with stainless steel appliances here, which is really nice. Got the removable nozzle, and this is really shiny. It just looks sleek and really looks nice. Okay, you also got the Insignia oversized microwave convection oven. It's not one of those rinky-dink small ones that you would find in a small trailer. This one's the real deal. Much bigger, much nicer. You also got a four-burner stove cooktop as well as a turkey-approved oven here. So if while you're RVing full-time, you got to be able to cook a turkey or any big things like that, okay? So that's really nice. I also like the fit and finish here with all the different cabinetry. It's really nice. You got some storage right here. You even, if you're a wine drinker, there's also a wine cellar right above here. You can hang your wines just right up there. Your reds, your whites, and all that jazz. You also got adjustable shelving here, or not adjustable shelving, sorry, a pantry that automatically gets lit up as soon as you open the door. So you always know what you're grabbing from the pantry. And it's got a nice, I think you can actually write on this as well. Nice glass here. If you needed to write a grocery list or anything like that, shopping list, you totally can. So check this one out too. We got the double door fridge, okay? So it's gas and electric, nice Norcold fridge. and freezer. Lots and lots of space in there. So while you're full-time RVing or going on those extended camping trips, you're able to shop for that. Usually just probably like once or twice instead of going to the grocery store multiple times. Let's come on into the living space. We got our reclining theater seats right here, which do come with massage as well as heated seats as well. So that's a really cool feature. You also got this 3-couch sofa, which does convert into a sleeping space as well. Nice space here. I'm a bigger guy too, so having my space on my couch is paramount. And then you also got these little nightstands right here, or shelves on the sides. They do open up as well, so you can put more stuff or storage in there, which is quite nice. I like what they did with just like the little places for hiding things if you need to. You got more stuff over here too as well. Really, really nice storage on the top. And then also you got windows all over the place. You got the window behind you, you got the window in front of you, and the window to the side. It just feels like you're still camping on the outside, but you're also very comfortable in here. This also comes with the TV too. So if you wanted to tuck it away like it is right now, you can do that. But if you also want to watch some TV, it's a really, really good way of accompanying guests or families. But being able to put the TV away is nice, but also being able to put the TV out is even more awesome. Okay, really, really nice. You also got this JBL premium sound system down here, as well as the fireplace underneath. So really, really nice coach we got going on here. Let's go and flip around to where you are, Gary, in the dinette area. Okay, in this dinette, it's got 2 chairs right here. It does extend a little bit longer as well. So if you wanted to, you can pull it out all the way. And you can fit 2 more or even 3 more people right here. You also got some counter space. And they got another place for you to plug in your devices, both USB and 110. So that's a really, really nice accommodating factor. And then if you're not using it, you can just tuck it away real nice and easy. Nice windows. I even liked just simple design things like these lights here. You can totally change those out if you want, but I mean, they're pretty nice. Okay. So this is also what's unique about this is it's a bunkhouse. Okay. So let's come and take a look in here. So this is the bunk area, or you can use this honestly as an office. So obviously you see it's got a couch right here, and it's got the bunk on top. If you wanted to just sit on the couch, you can actually put this up super easy. It just kind of locks into place and keeps you there. If you wanted to sleep or someone else wants to sleep here, you just pull this pin back down. Super nice and easy. Okay, you got your nice office desk right here. You can even use this as a monitor if you wanted. It's also got a radio in here, as well as storage on the top, on the sides, and on this side as well. This one's got adjustable shelving as well. So if you check that out, you're able to move that, and it's got the clothes rack on there. Okay, so you can use it more. It doesn't have to be other people sleeping in here. You can actually use this as an office if you'd like, which is a really nice feature of the bunkhouses we got. Okay, let's go on more towards the back of the coach. Sorry, the front of the coach, that is. The little things in the Jayco, they also put a handle here. So if it's a little bit harder to walk upstairs, you can actually use the handle. It's really nice and sturdy. Take a look at this bunk on the top. Really, really nice. It's even got some storage space right there by the cargo net. So you can tuck some things away right there. And it's even got the ladder. Okay, and the ladder is not removable, so it's always going to live right here when people need it. You can use this for storage, or you can use it for people up here as well. Really nice. It's got a window up there as well. Take a look at this bathroom. Real nice. Go on in there. Nice luxurious bathroom. Nice square shower with the removable nozzle. It's got more of the skylight on the top, so for the people that are a little bit taller, you can actually be in there as well. And nice sink And honestly, here, come on over here. This toilet's nice because it's got more space on it. You know, you don't have to worry about banging your knees against anything, right? So that's a really, really nice thing. And this one does have the Truma system, which essentially it just gives you hot water instantly instead of having to wait for like 30 minutes while it heats up, right? That's what's really cool about the Truma system. And then the master bedroom, okay? Check this out. You got your dresser here, which does open up too. So if you wanted to put your jewelry, extra cash, or even guns in there, you can totally do that. And it's got drawers, okay? Really, really nice drawers. I dig these. It's really nice. And then you also got the TV on the top here, the Insignia TV. Okay, you can still see that everything's in the wrapper. This king size bed. It's got some spaces for your electronic devices on the side there, just on each side of the bed. And you also have more space underneath. Guys, storage is gold. Being able to like put all that stuff in there, it's awesome. Okay, it's plentiful space and storage if you need it. You also got the springs on each side, which bear all of the weight of the mattress. So you don't have to be super strong in order to hold this up, okay? Then you also got the closet area. They Tetris this a little different than what you're typically gonna see. It's got a couple different hanging rods and more stuff for more spaces for storage over on the other side as well. And this is prepped for a washer and dryer as well. So if that's something that you want in it, you can also put that in there. And on top of that, look at this big old mirror. You get to even see Gary the video guy. Isn't that awesome? Really, really cool. Guys, if you really like this rig or like a couple different features about it, feel free to give me a call if you have any more questions, okay? My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. I would love to talk to you. And for now, wait. Jayco, turn off interior lights. Happy camping.